and welcome to our channel for the taste of it. Today we will be doing an unboxing of Universal Yums. We also have a special guest.
Very special.
Super special.
And your name?
Dean. My name is Dean, okay? Is that exciting more?
This is Debbie's dad.
Could you tell?
No.
God.
Shall we see what we have today?
Yes, let's see what we have today. It's so exciting. It is from
The Netherlands.
the Netherlands. I'm good like that. That's Dean.
Okay, so it looks like the first thing we do is sour cream and onion potato chips. Gonna take one?
Don't eat it.
Just don't eat it, because we're trying them all at the same time.
Cheers.
1, 2, 3. They don't have a lot of flavor, I don't think.
No, it's like eating a regular potato chip.
Like I just had to put a whole hand in my mouth. Like a whole hand of them.
Did you taste
In
it?
order to get any of the sour cream and flavor. These are stroop waffles. Which I have had these in like ice cream.
Oh,
What's
yum.
the ice
Like
cream?
it was McDonald's, I think, that had it as like a McFlurry option.
Oh,
Do
okay.
you like those, Missy? Yeah.
Oh crap. So the chips, was it delicious, okay, or no good?
No.
Okay.
No, I'm all right.
I say okay.
Dad, you say gross. I say they were okay. Alright,
Oh, she's
so
holding
now
the
we're
camera
gonna
down.
try these
Stroop waffles.
If I have to open them, this is actually kind of difficult to open. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with me. Apparently I'm broken and I don't know how to
Right
open
like
things.
this,
I did that.
and then you gotta go.
You're gonna break the thing. Yeah, it's not so simple, is it?
Gotta get it open.
This
That's
is what
good.
the stroop waffle looks like.
So this is our stroop waffle.
That's a bigger size. You can see it better.
1, 2, 3.
Try it.
I have a feeling Netherlands doesn't use a lot of flavorings. But this kind of bland too.
It is bland, but the texture is nice.
Yeah, I agree. It's not too sugary either, which is what I like.
What would you rate that?
It's good. I think it's good.
I like it.
You like it, Libby Lou?
I like it too. Like I would eat that.
I'd eat it.
You like it?
Uh-huh.
Next thing
Oh, more
is
chips.
aged Gouda cheese Krispies.
I'm obsessed with Gouda.
Sometimes I like it, sometimes not so much.
What is Gouda cheese? I mean, I know it's,
It's cheese.
I'm gonna take a couple because I love Gouda.
You want to look over it?
So,
I just don't want
You
to.
can't wait for us.
What in the hell? They're what?
1,
Cheese crisps.
This will turn you into a Power
Go
Ranger.
ahead.
2, 3.
Cheers.
I don't like it.
Me either.
I love these. This tastes like white cheddar Cheez-Its.
Kind of, yeah. Dad didn't like it. Jordan didn't like it.
Are you?
I think it's okay.
You did not like them.
Nah, they taste like
cheese. They taste like cheese. And I love them.
The next thing is soft licorice and fruit gummies. Fruit and licorice make quite the juicy combo.
Like black licorice?
The average Dutch person buys more licorice than toothpaste.
Like,
A
but is it
whopping
like black licorice?
4 pounds per year. I'm not sure.
It looks like black licorice.
We'll talk like all together now.
1, 2, 3.
It's not that bad.
No.
Again, they must not like a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
Because I hate licorice.
Well, it's not a real heavy.
And it's not too bad.
I'm just looking,
I
Mom.
need you to not look for a second. I need you to answer my question.
47. I'm going with good this time.
Yeah, I'll say it was good.
I said that was disgusting because it was disgusting.
Next is our sour violet candies. A flower been so mouth-watering.
1, 2, 3.
Mine looks smaller. I got fat fingers.
Sorry. I already stuck mine in my mouth.
This is
Okay, I
phenomenal.
can start to taste the violet now.
I think these are delicious.
Really?
One more.
Like, that was really good. Like, I could eat those all the time. I loved it.
That's
I
okay.
love it.
You did not
I
like
did
it.
not like it.
She's used to me. Sour.
So our next one is chocolate covered Knolton cookies, milk white, and dark chocolate spice cookies.
Milk, white, and dark chocolate?
Yeah.
The white chocolate, milk chocolate, and then the dark chocolate.
And I like dark chocolate.
So it's like,
One,
1.
2, 3. I'm hungry.
they're crunchy.
Uh-huh.
They're like
Bland.
gingerbread.
Yep.
They're good.
Yeah, I think they're good.
They're kind of like graham crackers.
Do you like them?
Yeah, they're okay.
They're just okay.
Me too.
Okay, our next is Dutch Speculoos. Coziest spice cookies ever. You decide.
Some milk.
I want that. Mom, I want milk.
Well, they all have, they're like different.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1,
Okay.
2, 3.
Is it just my taste buds or am I tasting baking soda? You know, like when you don't get it completely mixed.
There it is. Yep.
I don't know what you two are talking about.
These taste very familiar. Like, I feel like America has something similar to this.
And the windmill cookies,
I don't know what that is.
It's a
they
cookie
look
that
just
looks
like this. Like they're shaped just like this, only they're a little bit lighter in color. But they have windmills on them, like this. No,
I think they're okay.
I think they're okay.
Would you buy those though?
No,
You wouldn't buy them?
I would not buy them.
I think they're okay.
Oh, Debbie, I hate those things. So
See,
the
you
next
don't
thing
like
is our
that so much.
hazelnut cream milk chocolate bar.
1, 2, 3, 4. Put there on my circle. Right here.
I
Want
like
to see
it.
mine?
No.
That's really good.
I like it.
I'm choking on chocolate.
Would you like me to drink?
I will save you.
Like lint.
Lint?
Lint
Lint.
chocolates.
Oh, that's better than lint. Stuff comes out of your dryer.
Better than Ferrero.
Why did you turn that around?
Burger.
So Dean can see himself.
That's better than Ferrero Rocher. Do you want to?
Try it, it's good. This is my loving wife. I'm so proud of her.
If you don't want the whole thing, I'll
She's
finish
so
it.
sweet.
Get away from me. Do you not like
So
hazelnut?
I loved it.
I love it
okay.
too.
I loved it too.
The next is Dutch licorice, like shaped like canal houses, taste
Canal?
like magic.
But
You can have mine.
I can have mine.
They do mean bites.
1, 2,
Okay.
3.
Should I call it 3?
Oh, they're soft.
Stop.
Oh, I love these, but I really like licorice.
Yeah.
I love them.
Gross.
You're gross.
What do you think, Pops?
I already told you they were great.
Our next thing is cheddar and raspberry cheese crisps. Sweet, savory, and absurdly addictive.
I don't like fruit and cheese.
Talks.
Here.
Mine
My mom never taught me to not play with my food.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So what'd you think?
That shit was nasty.
That thing was good.
I said it was okay.
What's
Wait.
up with your taste?
Can
I
you
need
say
you
yours
to
again? Because
say
she
that
said,
again.
as you were talking, she said that shit is good.
Gotta leave that in. It was okay. I didn't taste any raspberry though.
I tasted a ton of raspberry, and that's why I did not like it.
Maybe I should try a different one.
You like candy?
I still don't taste
Papa loves candy.
raspberry.
You're broken.
Papa loves potato chips tea.
But yeah, it's okay.
Ew, you were eating potato
Okay,
chips.
you stop talking to her. Because you're encouraging her to talk, and we told her she has to be quiet. We're
This is your
working.
last.
We are working here. Okay? This is a job. We're working.
I'm very professional now.
Okay, thanks. Mom, you said they were okay.
Okay.
You, what did you
They
think?
were horrible.
Okay.
Our next thing, our last thing.
No, we have two more.
We do? What?
Yeah. We got these sour watermelon warheads looking mother truckers.
Those.
Oh, the first one is Dutch candy cars. Juicy strawberry,
Oh, you can't have these ones,
black
baby.
currant,
No.
and cherry.
I'm very professional now.
Oh. Car.
What are you, a computer?
Why is mine pink and yours is red?
I don't know.
Are y'all like fighting over like the spotlight here back the front?
11, 12.
Oh, she counted to 10, guys.
Oh, sorry. Oh, they're hard. They're really
It like
hard.
hurts.
Yeah.
Well, my opinion is.
They remind me of like the jujubes.
I feel like those are harder.
Yeah, maybe.
What do you think, though?
They're okay.
Guess I don't get to state my opinion.
No, I'm waiting for you to answer me.
It tastes like wax with flavoring.
So I guess our last thing is actually sour watermelon candies. A burst of watermelon with every chew. Oh, sounds like it's supposed to be soft.
See, I go.
Start from her.
I don't-
Okay,
I
why
don't
is
know if I
yours
can
fat and mine's skinny?
Because I'm fat, okay? Little skinny Ronnie, skinny girl over here gets the skinny one.
I'm not skinny, my doctor said so yesterday. Oh.
One,
Where's our counter?
2, 3. Nope, they're not soft.
That's another one of those things where like the flavor is like,
They're
but
hard.
they're so hard.
They aren't chewy like it said it was going to be. I really like
I
the
agree.
flavor, but the texture is way too hard.
I'm so gnawing on mine.
What am I saying?
A button nose.
So sad.
Thank you for joining us today for our unboxing of all our fancy little treats in our Yum box. That was the Netherlands for you. My bad. I screwed everything up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already
Ring the bell.
for the notifications every time we post a new video. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Bye.
I'll be back.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
The Dutch created the first self-driving car for, you said,
Postman.
Kids.
Oh, sorry. Mailman.
B, fish.
Oh, come on. What are they doing with fish?
Number 2, in 1945, Princess Juliana of the Netherlands sent blank to Canada. She sent 12 classical sculptures to Canada, a chest of priceless gems to Canada, 100,000 tulips to Canada, or she sent a poem in a bottle to Canada.
Palm in a bottle.
I'm gonna say tulips.
You?
What were the other two options?
12 classical sculptures, a chest of priceless gems, 100,000 tulips, and a poem in a bottle.
I'm going with sculptures.
She sent 100,000 tulips. It's a good job, Lori.
See, I was gonna say that, and then Mom said it, so I wanted to be different.
In 2012, the city of Hague built a $176,000 bridge to A, provide a bicycle exclusive path, create a parade route for the king's birthday, build a marathon route that wouldn't cause traffic, or help squirrels cross a busy
Help girls cross a
highway.
busy highway.
Rude. I was going to say that.
You
You can still
too.
say that.
No, you took it. I want to be different.
Don't be like me. Be an individual.
That should be
could you read those
you
again?
like me.
Provide a bicycle exclusive path. Create a parade route for the king's birthday. Build a marathon route that wouldn't cause traffic or help squirrels cross a busy highway.
I'm gonna say parade route. No.
King.
Parade route for the king. What are you saying?
King.
King, and you said squirrels? In 2012, the city of Hogg built a $176,000 bridge to help squirrels cross a busy
I
highway.
remember seeing it on Facebook.
Good
Good
job.
job, Debbie.
That much money for squirrels.
Dang! No, you didn't!
Sound the alarm.
And you could build a little small thing, but how much was it? 100,000?
I just want to state
170.
for the record that it's not just squirrels who fucking use paths like that, you dipshit. Bears use it.
No.
Raccoons use it.
No.
Okay, number 4.
Your daughter already told me. Yeah.
To ride the train, one Dutch rail company accepts blank in place of money. Company accepts books, a live performance of a song, tulips, empty cans.
Live performance of a song.
Books.
What? No.
Empty cans.
Okay, see, I was gonna say that one, so since you said it, I'll stick with my live performance of a song.
So we got live performances, empty cans, and books.
Books.
She said books. To ride the train, one Dutch rail company accepts books in place of money.
That is BS.
I'm doing good this time.
You are doing good.
Which one still lost?
Mickey tutorials, I'm so sorry. I failed you.
All right, number 5. Oh, how do you pronounce his name?
I'm
Is it
not.
Napoleon?
Neapolitan? No.
Napoleon.
Napoleon?
Napoleon?
What am I thinking
Trying
of?
to say it like it's-
Neapolitan ice cream. Okay. Neapolitan's brother declared himself the king of rabbits, Brussels,
No.
flutes, or dragons.
Flutes.
Can you repeat the question?
Napoleon's brother declared himself the king of A, rabbits, B, Brussels, C, flutes, or D, dragons.
Brussels like the place? Or Brussels like Brussels sprout?
I think it would have said Brussels sprouts.
Oh, I would
So I-
say Brussels like the place. I don't
I'm
know.
going with Brussels.
I'm going with rabbit. With what? The animal one?
Rabbit?
Take that from me.
Yeah.
There's rabbits and dragons.
Dragons.
That's on the floor.
So king of Brussels, king of dragons,
Bring a flute.
and king of flutes.
Whatever.
Neapolitan's brother declared himself the king of rabbits.
Rabbits. Oh, we were all wrong.
Did Dad say rabbits?
No,
I
he said dragons. He said rabbits, then he's like, I'm going with dragons.
He wants to
little
get
rabbits.
Khaleesi, the mother of dragons.
Right. Number 6. A war in 1784 is named the Kettle War. A war in 1784 is named the Kettle War because...
Because of what?
Sorry. You know how like they're like combats, but combatants?
Combatants.
Oh, okay. Combatants.
Combatants! Combatants used kitchen utensils instead of guns. It was fought over control of tea trade routes. The only shot fired hit a soup kettle, or kettles were melted down and used as ammo.
What was the question?
A war in 1784 is named the Kettle War because...
I'm gonna say.
Because of what?
The
You
kettle.
have to answer. You have to pick one.
Wait, something was.
Can you repeat the options?
How do you say that? How do you pronounce it?
Combatants.
Combatants. Combatants
I want that one.
used kitchen utensils instead of guns. It was
Put that in my
fought.
mouth either.
It was fought over control of tea trade routes. The only shot fired hit a soup of kettle, and kettles were melted down and used as ammo.
I want the last one.
I want the last one.
We can both have the
Gross.
last one.
Oh. I'm going with the third one where it's kettle was shot.
The only shot fired hit a soup kettle?
Yeah.
Okay. So a war in 1784 is named the Kettle War because the only shot fired hit a soup kettle.
You actually got
Oh
one.
yeah, I got
Good
one.
job, team.
I'm the man. Woohoo!
Is that the only one you got right?
That's the only
Yeah.
one I got right. And that will be the only one.
Good. We got two more.
I'm done.
Number 7. Which of the following is on display at the Dutch Museum's Tyler's
Tyler.
Oh no, it is Tyler. It says which of the following is on display at the Dutch Tyler's Museum? A $4 billion medieval coin. B, a crown owned by the lost Princess of Wales. A mountaintop. Or D, a complete T-Rex skeleton.
B.
See,
It's C, mountaintoop.
What's that?
come on. I got
You got it right.
I'm 2 for 2. Yeah.
So am I. So watch it.
I'm gonna whoop your butt.
All right, last one. So you guys are 2 for 2. Number 8. There is a Dutch police force that uses trained blank to find criminals.
Gerbils.
Trained bees, trained rats, trained monkeys, or trained cats.
Train cats.
I'm gonna go with monkeys.
I want to.
I'm going with monkeys.
I'm going with cats. I'm with her on
You
this.
can't. No,
Yes,
you
I
can't.
can.
No, you cannot pick the same as
Yes, you can.
And
We're tied.
Trained.
Okay, so if you can't pick the same one as his, which you are picking, what would be another option you'd pick?
monkeys is the only one that makes sense.
Cats.
Bees make a lot of sense.
I actually have
Can you
bees
train
too.
a bee?
No,
You can
mice.
train-
Bees
mice
make a lot. Okay.
too.
Mice are pretty damn smart.
Mom.
I still want monkeys.
All right, I'm gonna go with mice.
Monkeys, mice, cats. There's a Dutch police force that uses trained rats to fuck. He changed his answer. He got it right.
That's not funny.
I think I got every single one of those wrong.
Oh yeah! I'm a champion. Another one.
Wait, you got the most right? That
He's never coming back.
I'll be back.
Someone's salty.
Someone can't lose.
Not to you.
Dan Jr.
Not to you.
Oh come on, you got me. I'm
She
smart.
lost to me last time.
Yeah. I
Oh,
lose all the
somebody's a little
time.